Big news today. Vladimir Putin has officially signed a law legalizing cryptocurrency mining. This is a turning point for Russia and the entire global crypto ecosystem for years. Mining in Russia was happening in the shadows. Now it has the government's stamp of approval. Let's break down what this really means, not just for Russians, but for the entire world of digital assets. And trust me, the impact could be massive. First, why Russia? Russia has always been a powerhouse in terms of natural resources. It has huge energy reserves. Especially oil and gas energy is the lifeblood of cryptocurrency mining. So, Russia was always seen as a potential giant in this field, but until now, legal uncertainty kept miners at risk. That chapter has just ended. With legalization, miners can now operate without fear of sudden shutdowns. They can access official energy contracts, they can set up large-scale facilities, and they can even attract foreign investors. This could shift the balance of global mining power. Remember when China banned mining in 2021? That sent shockwaves across the crypto industry. Many miners moved to the United States, Kazakhstan, and other regions now. Russia is stepping in to claim a slice of the pie, and with its cheap energy, it could become a mining superpower. But what about sanctions? Western countries have placed heavy sanctions on Russia since the Ukraine conflict. So is this move just about innovation, or is it also a way for Russia to bypass sanctions? Analysts believe it is both. Mining allows Russia to convert energy into cryptocurrency. That cryptocurrency can be traded internationally. It may provide Russia with an alternative channel to access global value flows. This is why the world is watching closely on the domestic side. Russian citizens can now mine legally. This opens doors for small and medium enterprises. But the government will also tax mining profits, so revenue will flow back into state coffers for Putin. This is not just about freedom. It is about control globally. This decision could trigger a domino effect if Russia openly embraces mining. Other countries might follow. Think about countries with cheap energy and struggling economies. They might see mining as a new lifeline. This could accelerate mainstream adoption for Bitcoin. The implications are huge. More hash power means a stronger network, but it also raises centralization concerns. If Russia becomes a dominant player, it might influence mining pools, and that raises geopolitical questions. Could governments start using hash power as a new weapon of influence? Investors are also paying attention. Legal clarity in a major nation reduces uncertainty that usually boosts market confidence already. Crypto markets reacted with a slight uptick in trading volumes, but this could just be the beginning. For the European Union and United States, this is a challenge. Both regions are tightening regulations on cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, Russia is opening a new door. This contrast will spark debates. Is regulation in the West pushing innovation elsewhere? Could Russia end up leading in this space? Now let's look at the risks. Legalization does not mean smooth sailing. Energy costs could still spike. Infrastructure might struggle to keep up with demand, and sanctions could make it difficult to trade mine coins freely. So miners in Russia will face unique challenges, but still, the symbolism here is powerful. When a global leader like Putin endorses mining, it sends a clear message. Cryptocurrency is no longer a fringe idea, it is becoming part of national policy, and that elevates the entire crypto industry for everyday Russians. This means opportunity for global investors. This means a new market to watch for regulators in the West. This means pressure to respond. And for the blockchain community, this means validation. The global mining map is changing again. China, out. Russia in. The cycle continues, and every shift brings new consequences. So, what does this mean for you? As a crypto enthusiast, it means the market is about to get more competitive. It means the geopolitical dimension of crypto is growing. And it means your investments are now tied even more to global politics. This is no longer just about technology, this is about power, energy, and strategy. And with Russia entering the legal mining space, the future of crypto just got more intense. Putin's move is bold. The world's reaction will be critical, and we are here to cover every angle for you. Stay tuned, because this is just the start.